Binuha na kaya?
Ay, bakit gano'n? Ay, ito pala, ito. Sorry. Iba palang pindot ko. Iba pala pala. Saan ba sa aking pera?
Kaliwa mo.
Doon? Ang ganda na barang ini. Ayan ah. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Ang tatakong ko to. Mamaya na mag-secret.
Ulit. Green.
Yun oo. Puro yan ah. Jack din. Secret natin to.
Ilan number yan?
5. 5 ito 5. 5. Naku, ito din. Na. Magbaba na kayo. Ay, okay. Buti pa doon ang pulot. Tingnan mo sa pagbaba. Dito yung makalaban. Ten. Ganito yan. Hindi mo lumaban na yun. 9.
Tingpa.
Nasa power. 7. Baka. Meron pa pala doon. Sabi ko na yun. Sayang. Nahuli eh. Yan, size. Nahuli.
Flash.
Hindi ka nagantay.
Something down?
10. Kita ko pa no? Win ulit.
Dos.
Dos na no? Cinco. Okay, hindi sana ako nagsako. Sayang oh. 3-5 sana.
Wala nang hanap to eh. Laban na. Okay.
Laban ka rin? O sige, laban ka rin.
4 pa eh.
Ito ang aking secret. Oh. Ika nang tanong, kailan na bara ako?
Yeah.
Ika, 2, 3. 13 ka.
Oh,
Dalawa? Ano, 12 ka, 13 ka. Wala ako na. Ay, isa pa alas. 14 ka. Ikaw, 13. Yan yung ano, joke ay, dealer sign. Ay, naku, nilagdag ko yan. Hindi ko na isopot na yun. Ole, biyuwi ka pati. Mamaya pagkaalis na si Papa. Biyuwi ka.
You need your glasses too?
Oo nga eh. Nahihirapan ang mata ko.
Where is it?
Ano ba sa akin? Yun ay dahil.
No, that one.
Lagat ko. Mas maganda yung nasa bag ko. Kasi yung nasa bag ko, multiple. Kanina, ganda barahan. Ayun, pangit naman. Yan lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bakit ko lang? Wala may ligit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kulang pa pala. Kaya pala,
Not sure.
kaya pala hindi ko maano. Ang tapin pareho.
Green.
Ikaw, Queen. Ikaw, Queen din. Hindi. Kunin ko yung Queen. Ano pa itong isa?
Jack din.
Ano yan? Seven. Jack. Oh, Jack ko na lang. Oh, 5.
King.
Nabibigyan na sila ng mga king lang yan. Hindi king na rin.
Eight.
8.
Yes, left. Wake up, ate.
Ha!
Go and wake up, ate. Anong tapo mo?
9 spades.
9 spade. Ano ko na yan? Ito. Ano yan? 9? Takma naman. Tingnan. Nasa pawan eh. Ay, ilagay ko doon.
Six.
Yan.
Oh my god, last card.
Last card? Yan.
Just that?
Di ba?
Yeah.
Meron pa? Wala na?
Last card.
Wala na nga. Last card.
Okay.
Yan pa rin.
Pwede pa ito.
Sayang, kamali ako. O, hindi ka na magtsatsaw.
Why?
No, it's last card.
Wala na ba? Wala na?
No more.
Ilan ako?
5 lang.
Wala ako, marami pa ako.
What?
10, 23 pa ako.
Ano lang, no? Dalawang joker.
Dalawang joker, 7. 7. 8, sayang. Sana bumaba ako. Yung nandiyan ako. Doon sa huling laro natin. 7 lang. Binigay kita ng 13. Hindi mo sila ulit.
Ulit?
Ang huling laro natin.
Oh.
I give you 2-5. Ang tama. 2-5 at saka 7. I give you 2-5. Saka dalawang yung dala.
Yung papa did that.
Hindi naman niya ako. Andi niya sa amin. Hindi sila ulit. Alis. Okay. Kaya yung 8 na yun, doon ako nagsira. Na.
Oh, yeah.
Seven. Oh, yan. Thank you. Ay, salamat.
I thought you did it negative. You threw the other king down.
Ano nga eh. Kung hindi ko sinapaw sa iyo, I did the king.
Yan, ito. Hindi.
Diba naman?
Sapa ko na lang sa'yo.
Oo, sayang din naman eh. Para lang makalaban.
Siyempre. Flash mo na.
I'll take it.
Magsalubong sila, hindi. Daya mo pala yung isa. Magsapo pa. Sa is, di ka nakatay dito, kasapo ni Papa.
What's the boy?
Yung mga dapat yung isa pa. Tumis na yata ako. Walang babae yung isa doon.
Oh, 10. Well,
1, 2, 12. Ikaw, 17. Akong babae.
that's Papa's card. That would be mine.
17, ikaw 12. Sabi ka kanina. Kaya. Hindi na pa. Nakatungkin.
I need to win.
Bye.
Unless this is an unlucky spot.
Ano ka talaga ito?
Cheating.
Ito papatay. Ito papatay. Hindi mo nga kung ito maibig.
King nga. Oh, king.
Ang tao nga.
King.
I will. Put down. King.
Nagbaba na.
Oo ah.
Oh, nagbaba na dyan.
Seven. Oh, yun ganda. Sapa muna natin dyan. Okay na yun. Dahil yan.
Okay.
Oh, what a waste. What a waste.
Size. Sayang. Ba't di pa kayo ano? Wala akong baba. Di pa kayo nag-ano? Naglaban.
Oh, alam mo na.
Oh.
Wala akong baba.
Kaya nga. Sabang kayo dalawa. Matas kayo sa papa mo. Lumaban lang yan. Ako wala akong baba. May joker ako pero wala akong baba. Sayang. Yung joker.
Let's go.
Bingo.
Yeah, right. 42.
42. 5 lang to.
Ayun.
42 yun.
5.
So 35.
35.
35 plus laban. 45.
Oo.
Plus yung joker ko. Plus alas.
47.
47.
Ako. Ako,
47 ka.
ako, 7 lang.
Bakit?
Bakit 12 ako pala? Kasi wala akong baba. 7 at saka ano eh. 12 yung.
Okay, 7.
Kung mga 10 ka lang, lumabang ka, 20. Hindi yun.
Why are you telling him to fight?
Hindi, ay.
Just get quiet.
Masabi naman yung 47 kuya.
Maybe he doesn't have anything.
Kasi,
Don't remind people. Just let them play however they're gonna play.
okay.
Oo, eh. Mama mo.
I'm still trying to get something. That's why I'm not fighting.
Diba dito, no?
Oo, kung ka ng isa. Tapos dito, hindi ko ipapait yung kaya din pa sa
No,
akin.
no, pop at
fight
the
ka.
same boat. It doesn't have anything.
Mali mo.
Ikaw muna. Bibilang muna ako. 1, 2, 3,
2, 4, 6, 8.
Kompleto na. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kuha agad yun. Ano pinagay niya sa'yo? 9?
You give me jack.
No, si Papa mo.
Oh.
9?
10.
10.
9 ako.
Hindi, ay, oo, yan. Bato.
Oo.
Kapaw.
Sino? Ako muna ako doon. Tapos magbababa ako.
Pato din.
Isa ko yun.
6 lang yun.
Tapos na lang.
Ito ko, hindi ko yan. Hindi ko na hintay.
Queen. Queen ko na yan.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3.
Dos na lang ako.
Doon na natin natin.
You have 8?
Ha?
8 of clubs?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Ayun, sa'yo. Ito, ano, wala ko. 13.
It was next.
Nasa loob pa. 13 lang. Kunin ko na yung marami yun. Shine! Inabot mo ng araw!
May sinampay ka pa yata.
Sinawa ko na. Alexa! Please, announcement!
What's the announcement?
Waking up!
Announcing.
Bigyan ako ng queen. Kaya naano yung ating ano dahil sa'yo ulit ka. Okay ko na yan agad.
Swing.
G.
Seven. Kunin ko doon. Seven. Bakit na?
Tangis na? Palapit ko lang yan.
You gotta put something down.
Seven yung ano, no? Ganyan. Dito to. Ito dito. Ito dito.
What the?
Hindi naman ikaw.
One,
1,
two.
2. Dalawa lang. Yan. Buti magbaba din ako. Yan.
It's a chair.
Gusto siya ba? Gusto siya ba, kuya?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi, dyan ako noon.
Yeah, you lost twice.
O bakit remove mo?
I went to see his chair.
Alam ko akong tingin ka pala. Dalawa. Ayan.
10. Yun.
Ano ba yan? Ocho.
Okay.
Ito, bakit wala ka pa?
Ay, dapat yung pala ang bunot.
Dapat akin yun. Ano yan, kuya? Ha? Yun ang akin dapat.
Joker.
Isa tayo ka. Ito. Busa pala. Ba naman ito nakukuha nito?
Ito na.
Sayang. Nine. Yan naman, mataas na. Nagbaba ka na.
Oh, ito.
Laban.
Wala, may dalawang kwenta.
Yeah.
Tatlong king. Isang alas. Pangit sa 3. 7 lang. 4, 9. Ayan, dito yan.
Kaya panood mo yan?
Ano yan? Hindi. Kaya na. Magpahinga mo na yung TV. Kanina pa yan. Oh, yung tower game. Hindi yan sa kanila. Kasi tayo napapanood ng ating Uy, ang dami na. Makuha na yan. For sure. Yan. Yan. Wala na sapaw.
Hindi na siya po.
Wala na isa sa pito na.
5,
Ito
4.
na.
Okay.
Jeez. Wala na 5 doon. Sa kanya pala yun. Wala na dyan.
Hindi pa nga ako nagpapakulay.
Yun na naman. Ano pa pa yan? Jack. Mhm. Pwede. Oh, siguro naman nagpapakulay ka niyan. Pwede ko na nga sa'yo yan.
Gawin.
Wala ko.
Let's go.
5.
No, 7. I should have fought instead of picking up.
3. King. Balik 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 plus what?
Ilan?
Oh,
Plus
first 14.
14.
Ako 9 lang. 9. Ilang pahit sa kalamang pangit ang balaha. Lumampas na yung jack sa akin. Lahat.
Hindi. Kimaro na sa akin. Paningid na tayo ng kailangan ko. At 10?
Nagdagdag mo. Magdahuli.
Nagpalakad ka.
Wala eh. Wala yung pinalakad ko, 9. Bakit ang ipinalakad ko? Ito pala sa'yo. Marami na yan ah. Seven. Tingnan natin yan. Jack.
Ano na ito? Tanda na ito.
Hindi pandawin mo na. 3.
Nakaikot pa isa.
Ikot ka pa ng isa. Nabunot ko na yan.
Hindi ng baba. Hindi dapat 3.
Ano yun?
King.
King.
Hearts.
Laban.
Tama ka?
Oo.
Laban din.
Ilan ka?
3.
Alas.
Ha?
Alas.
Nasa pawang pa.
3. Alas. 2. 12. 12, 13, 14. Ikaw 7 ka.
Nasa pawang pa. Dapat
14.
King.
7. Dapat king. Nabunot lang yung gano'n, yung 3.
Kaya nga. Hindi. Dapat ni Gio King.
Oo. Tumits ako sa jack straight. Nakuha mo. Oler, can you wake up ate? It's already night time. Go ka. Ano ka? 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
Ang baba.
Wala bang kayo magama?
Hindi ko pa naisama kanina. Hindi ko pa naisama itong gis.
Nagsapo tuloy
Could have
siya.
been a secret.
Kaya nga eh.
Ay.
Otso yan.
Botcho pala. O yan, botcho pala tapon. Kala ko po yun.
Nagsapo pa siya.
Baba eh.
Ay, naibaba ko. Yung diretso o yung hindi?
Mhm.
Ito na lang. Para masarap. O, ito din. May sapo ka pala, no?
Oo.
Hindi ba?
Okay.
Dito, patron. Sino pa ba? Dos na lang. Oo nga. Sino pa hits?
Ako.
Bakit nasa akin ng dilat?
Hindi, ikaw pala.
Akong pa hits. Alas na lang ako eh. Ay, sayang ka ginuugid. Anong tapon mo?
Ayan, di.
May dalawa siyang hits. Hindi din. Kuya naman eh. Kung kailan tinapon ko, saan mo tinapon eh. Dalawa tuloy na hits.
King ano? Ano yung nababunot king?
Jack din. Oo. Diba? Napagbubulat ang king na yan.
Hindi ng king yan. Apat na.
Ikaw, gano'n sa'yo lahat.
Ayun. O, tres. Mataas pa ito. Ayaw lumaban.
Sino? Eh, ba't ako lalaban? Eh, nag-aabang ka ng aking ibibigay.
Sacrifice.
Hindi mag-sacrifice ka. Ako hindi ako magsasacrifice. I have to fight for my rights. Okay.
Tres.
I have to sacrifice for my rights. Bakit naglan na tayo? Wala na.
Wala na pala.
Hindi natin tinitignan. Wala ako,
na pala.
matas ako.
6.
Six ka. Panalo ka na.
Wala ako, matas ako.
Third power.
Matas ako. Ilan?
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Oh, 2.
2. Di, ano, 7. Wala, mabuti na pagbabako.
I need a 7.
Well,
Nasa akin ang 7.
Ah.
Ayaw ko bigay kay papa mo kasi siya ang may ano hawak. Pati Jack.
Cinco.
Ang Jack, hindi ko binibigay.
Jack, oo.
Dalawang Jack.
Oo.
Kaya ko binibigay sa'yo.
Magiging bilang ko dos.
Wala ka sa ko. Kuya, kung nakuha mo yun, bawin mo.
I'm back in the game.
Kasi nga tatuan. Kaso, papa mo may pito. Is that?
Nagmamadali yun.
Please agad. Bigyan kita para makaano ka. Kababa ka.
Wala na po. Magsasalubong pa kami. Sapa mo na. Pwede.
Pwede.
that one.
Yun naman kasi din eh. Then, so, yun. Usapan muna tayo dun. Bigyan natin ng 1 alas. Okay na. Ay, hindi nagantay doon. 5 na lang yan. Ay, hinintay ko doon eh. Wala na.
Hindi ko naman sinasapaw sa'yo yung 5.
Ba't di mo sinasapaw? Sapa mo, ayun.
Cinco. Sige na, yan.
5 sa'yo, 5 sa kanya.
5.
Hmm.
Yan, hindi ko nintay.
Sayang. 7 na lang. Nasapa ko, no? Pero marami pa ba yan?
Mali, dapat hindi ko sinapaw.
Sige. Okay, hindi ko na rin tayo doon. Tagal.
Tingin ka pa.
Wala na. Nag-iisa nintay ko nga doon eh.
Yun, tumawit na.
Ito, dalawang ano, oh. Yan. Nakasay ka.
You had the jokers. I need a jack.
I need a joker.
I need a 4.
Jack, dalawa sa akin eh. 3.
3-13. Kailangan ko ang dalawang joker para sa akin 2 hits. Nasa loob ang 2. Tatlo lang ba? Dalawa?
13.
Bakit ang 13?
Sabi mo, 13 eh.
Bakit tinapa? Dalawang joker mo lang?
Dalawang joker.
Oo,
Sana last.
Sana alas mo?
Binigyan mo muna siya.
Wala mo. Binigyan kita na.
Kaya ka dun.
Di ba pa ako ito? Ulit, sabi ko yung salpo, rin naman sa akin mo eh. Ano na? Kaya naman ako.
Ten muna. Ten.
Ano yun?
Ang binigay ko. Light na kagad. Ocho.
Ocho? Nagpapatin ko eh.
Mo alam.
Eh, ganun ako eh.
Yung nakausapin nila. Bibigay ka nito.
Queen. Queen.
Yo.
Yan. Ito.
Hindi na. Kacang muna.
Shine.
Yes. Papalit ka sa akin.
I'll just put this down.
7. Tingnan kita ng king.
Finish.
Tingnan kita sa binigay mo eh.
Yun na.
Tuhis na?
Yun.
Oh my goodness.
Ayaw mo
Nothing
magbigay
down.
sa akin. Because you did not give me anything.
What can I give you? I need these.
You need 4.
I need 3. You threw it down.
Eh, kaya nga eh. Nasa akin ng 3.
Isang king.
And you don't need these.
I need that.
I'm not gonna give you these. These are low cards.
Mga local sa
Isang king.
dito ano, di 11. Ito mo. Bakit sumigla? This. Ano ko yan? Jack.
Did you pick up?
Hindi. Yeah, I pick up this thing. My drawer.
Oh, yes. Does that mean I can't fight?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's not a pipe. Seven. Good to. I'll give you the key. Dos. Seven. Kukunin ko yan.
Let's fight.
Five. Lang ka.
You fight. Ace.
Please ka.
1, 2, 7.
May pa ako eh. Ilan?
7.
Is ka lang? Dos.
And a joker.
9.
9.
9 pa rin lahat.
I'll
Okay.
put you.
Ano? Ilan? Ilan?
I was just ace. And I had ace and a joker.
No, 7.
So 7.
7. 7. 2 plus 2. So 9. Okay, fight ako.
Plus 5.
Plus 5. 14. Akala ko basta lang ako. Dapat pa ng alas.
You had my King of Clubs. King of Clubs.
Nag-isa sa akin.
I was saying earlier, that's the bad luck seat.
The clubs.
You.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Maniwala ka tayo. Don't believe
I
me.
never,
That's your win.
I never won any game.
What's my
In the last time, we only
So, you
did
did
two.
that, ano, dati na tayo.
So, first time winning.
I don't believe in that.
what's your win?
O, dalawa. Kasi natalo sa kanina dyan.
Never won one, 1-1.
Natalo sa dyan kanina.
Come on.
Kukunin natin isang sanidya.
No.
Queen din. Queen.
Should have waited.
Yeah, we should have waited. Oh, good evening. Teka lang, magsisecret kita. $10, $5 na rin.
Is that 4 of a kind?
4 of a kind. Four of a kind. Sais daw.
This one.
Yeah.
He's thinking. Win again. Wala pala akong baba, no? Magbaba nga ako para makalaban.
Is that 4 of a kind?
Ito. Ito para pa kanya. 7.
Ay. Hold on. Let's do that.
Oh, fight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tres. 3.
Oh my god. 6.
Ilan? 2, 6, 3, 4, 5. 15 ka. Ikaw? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, 3?
15 ka, kuya.
Maybe just dumped the 4. And I would have.
What was your 4 of a kind?
Ito. Ayan. Kasi you give the 3 ka, ano, space. Yun ang puro ko.
Not gonna get. The next one I would have been in a better position to defend.
Lalaglag sa akin? 15, ikaw, ano, sumobra ka daw.
You said 3.
No,
No, 8.
sorry, 2. One, is lang sa akin, Diyos. Kuya.
My money back. Secret.
Ano kayo yung sabihin mo? Satisfied for?
4 of a kind.
Chop. Kuya.
Thank you. Yeah, you can have it.
Yeah.
Jack na naman. Oh. Hindi ka bato ni. Tapos tapo ko yun. Tapos lagi ko yung dos. Hindi mo na ko send. Tama na ka mo.
I'll take it.
Oh, sayang dos ko.
Oh,
You gave me.
damn it!
Oh my god.
1, 11. Oh, ako na. Atin yun.
Oh, thing. What's going?
Oo. Basta ako. Dapat tinuna mo yan. Binigay sa akin.
Seven of spades.
Oo. Ano, hindi ako tunod. 11. Bakit sa'yo? Ito na.
You gave it.
Hindi. So, is it the thing? No, it's not. Basta pag sa akin ng 7, pag hindi ako tumit.
I don't know all the cards to be.
Kailangan mag-alas. Joke. Queen. Ano ko yan? Tres. Hindi nag-antoy.
Shoot, look at that.
Jack. Ayan.
Shoot, look at that. Why did I throw that one?
Pato. Kung kukunin ko siya. Yun na. Pero lang kasi ano. Sayang. Kahapon ka. Why did I show you? Sayang. Sayang.
I threw it away, so I don't need it anymore.
Siete. Cinco. Sayang yung 4 ko. Ano yan? Tangis na?
Yeah.
Oh, tangis ako sa 3 eh.
So funny. Yeah.
Nasa'yo.
Yeah.
Sayang.
And,
Tangis
Get
na.
my cards.
Saan itong hits?
Like, oh, wow.
wow.
11.
Ano ba? Ayan, 11. 11. Dapat hindi mo binabat siya.
What?
Yung ano mo, cards mo. Ano siya na itong hits eh.
That's why he threw it. I had no choice.
Dapat lang ito.
What's up there?
Yan.
With it. Give it to Ang.
Hindi na ito. Lumasag.
There's only one left.
Bakit ka natanggal sa hipon? Ha? Oo, ang hipon. Sila na. Nasa gulay. Kasi mga ako eh. Ano na kumain?
If you had the popcorn.
Kaya eh.
Did you have a whole one or half?
Half kanina, half ngayon. So, saan pa ako kapok ano? Diba nang ilalagay ko sa tiyan ko?
Where do I go?
Sais.
Ay.
Ang baba naman siya. Uy, natin.
I guess I will do this.
Wala na 7.
8 lang.
8, saka 10.
Okay. Check.
I was looking for a secret.
Let's go.
10. Kunin natin yan. Lagay ko na yan. Kasi ka lang yan dyan. Ayan. Ganun pala sa kanya. Mali.
I'm gonna put this down here too. Where is it?
6 spades.
Ulo king. Nueve. Wag lang natin.
Where? Nothing.
Guys, that's good. King na lang din. Ano yan?
2.
2. Tungis na?
Damn it.
Dalaw-dalawang joker ko.
Low.
There you go.
You're gonna
That
love
would be
one?
yours.
Paano kami lalaban tungis
That
na?
would be yours.
Ayan.
This would have been mine.
Wala pa rin. Tungis,
That's
balance. 10 only. 10 only. 10 only. 10 only. 10 only. Nakatong hits eh. Dalaw-dalawang joker ko. Guys. I'm hoping na mapalisan ako ng 5.
That's no.
Oh yan, apa pa. Okay.
Did you pick up?
Of course I did.
Oh, no, you didn't. There's another.
Oh, one.
This one?
9.
9.
9.
Four.
Ano dapat?
6 spades.
6 spade ito.
3.
Nako. Sayang.
Mm.
Oh no. Three hearts.
3 hearts.
Oh.
Ito. Ayun. Alam natin sana ka dito.
Oh, this is cool.
I will sapao. Here. And I will sapao.
Doon. Wala nang sapa doon. 4.
I have one more pen. No.
Ito na, nandito natin.
Oh, that's right. Never mind. Stop by yourself.
Oh wait, no, I want this one.
I want the other one. Oh, I put clubs in.
Tining. Sayos.
You can't. It's gone.
Ah. May sapa ko yun.
Oh, it's finished over there.
Wala.
You gave it now.
Set mo?
No, I'm just saying.
No more 4. No more stuff out.
Why am I
Ayan.
keeping this?
Ako din, no.
See?
Ikikip ko pa sana yung 6. Pero pala, wala na pa. Kung nandun nga pala kay Sanse. Wala na rin. Hanggang dito na lang. Wala na pa ito. 9 na lang. Ando pa sa batang 9. Saka isang purta. Ayun na pala.
Oh,
There you go.
what's the trick is that?
Ow! Tungit ako. Tong hits!
What did you pick up?
Green.
Ah.
Tong hits ako.
You have jokers.
I had one
Wala akong joker. 11. I don't have joker. 11.
Oh,
11.
second last. 11.
11.
Mm.
Kaya hindi ko sinisira yun. Sabi ko, meron pa. Nakikuha pang isa. Dapat ano ka na. Naglaban ka na.
Now it's still 6.
Ha? Si Pop.
6.
Mataas pa kami.
Yeah, under 10 we should consider.
Kaya ang dating dapat lumaban ka na.
We should consider. You have to
Lalo
look
na
at
ikaw
people's cards,
ikaw ang hit.
how many people they have in their hand and what
Kaya
they
nga
draw.
eh. Kasi ang dating na eh.
But then Mama had all the drops, so less.
Hindi ako nalaban dalawa pa ang team ko. Tsaka isang jackpot. Ano, tati talos, tati ano na yun, numbers. Ikaw din eh. Meron ka pang natin na jack sa akin. Mahila. Ikaw sana naka-hits. You get the hit sana.
Are you sure?
I don't!
So, 5, 10, 12. Hindi pa nga ako kumuha. Uy, what a waste.
Don't remind people.
Don't remind people down. Yan, ganun din naman itatapon ko.
Mm.
Queen. Wala na itong sapay. Oo, at saka yan. Ako lalaban.
Wala.
Mamaya
This
na.
one.
Mamaya na ako lalaban. 7. Dahil. Ayan. Yun pala nabangan niya. Okay. Tinapaw pa niya kanya.
Are you good, Taylor?
Yep.
Whoever does the camera there.
3.
Why did I throw that?
Wala lang. Aha. Sige, bigay ko sa kanya. Patres na yun. Patres na yun. Ay, hindi ako dapat
You
nito.
threw away dresses.
Ay, dapat
Why don't you take threats?
Wala pa. I just get the tres when I bunot.
Oh.
Me too.
Yeah, do you need this?
Stupid.
Put
Nabu!
it here.
Oh, yes,
ayan,
sagasa.
sagasa. Sagasa ka pa. Ocho. Laban ko na to. Okay, five. Walang, ano eh.
Is this? I don't know. Yeah. Do you say no?
No. What do you have?
Okay, yes.
I need the 5 cards. Do you have
Zero.
5 cards?
Ha? Sino ka? Totoo ha?
Zero.
Why did you tell me it?
I couldn't. I had to throw first.
You put the
Ah,
10
pwede
down.
naman.
You put the 10 down, and you threw one, but then you had the whole set, right?
Yeah, but you can't put forward. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You told me to her anyways.
Lumabas sa'yo. Siguro ako six. Oh.
6 plus 1.
Six. Hindi. Six ako zero. Six plus one, seven. Seven plus 10. 17. Then PLA. 17.
Wait, what about me?
Plus 1.
Six ko lang. Ako 17.
I don't even know that you're winning.
Pwede naman ganun. Na ano. You wait until someone type for you. So,
Yeah, that happened.
That's funny.
yeah, even if you have to hit already, pwede mo hindi to hit na.
Yeah,
I think
that's a
wait.
strategy. But first, I'm losing.
You have to wait
No one
for
can beat
someone.
zero, but.
But how do you know?
True.
You're holding on
So,
zero.
because zero. But I still win. If that's
Eh, kaya nga, pag
if
sila
I
na
get
no,
zero.
either na ano, sila talo pa rin sila kasi zero na to.
It's already.
Yeah, true.
Hindi ah, you have to wait po. Katulad yan, I don't know na.
You hit the camera.
Sino ako? Hindi?
Okay, good.
Hindi? Hindi
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah, but like, I'm risking someone already getting points before me. That's what they were saying.
Ayun na pala itong hit.
Yeah.
Bago mag-fight. Yan ang
So
mahirap.
it's safe to just do points straight away.
Mhm.
Yep. Let's go with.
Ocho. Ano pa ba talaga? Ano mo?
7 spades. 8 of hearts.
Right.
Wala ko.
No.
+2. 7.
7. Yeah, bigyan eh.
7. Oh man.
Kabilis naman yun.
Yeah, what is that? What's it called? Is there such thing as before the pip?
Wala.
What?
Naman lang yun.
What's that?
Mahjong. Before the
It's
pit.
extra if you
Before the pit.
before
Everybody, ano,
five
face.
tiles.
Everybody, face.
Ah,
Just swap right with that.
the light.
That's more dimmer. Super bright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ay, ay.
You don't have it. Oh, okay. So close.
Wala na.
But you had nothing down.
Meron dalawa nga eh. Ay, no more 7.
Yeah.
Pero pa sa sa'yo.
Is that Jack?
Yeah. Oh wait, no. Oh,
Hindi na. Natapon na eh. Kasapo ka na. Ay. Ano pa yan? Puro jack.
Nine. Ah, nothing.
Di ba di?
What is this?
Minded ko yan.
Seven.
Oh my god.
Puro naman tayo ng gamok stances. Sayang. Ay,
Don't. Give me something. Oh my god. Nothing. Oh, so stupid.
5. Ang yan.
You need a 5.
Sapo ko na ito din.
Where the diamond's at?
Sapo ko na yun.
What's the highest there? 9?
9.
Waiting for a 9.
Hanggang 9 na lang. Tapos,
Then you watch. Oh, amazing.
5 na lang ako. Kami sa lang.
I had 2
There
jokers.
it is.
Waste of Joe jokers. I have nothing. Nothing. No fool.
Ayun.
Nothing fool.
Pangit ka lang?
Yes.
Tongue hits and plus 5 for you. So 15.
15 ka. Hindi may hirap na joker. Wala ka naman may bata.
Pick. Are you sure it's not the spot?
Hindi, I just started.
I won once.
No,
Twice?
No, you're doing it
Twice?
I only had one out of the an hour and a half. Before.
Bakit? Maumpisa pa lang ang church.
What time did you eat?
5:10.
So early.
So, hindi nga eh. Minsan dapat sa atin niya.
Where?
Diyan sa atin.
Ah.
Diyan ka. Yun na, ano. Kaalaman na. Alam mo yan, eh?
Good evening. Is it dinner time? You have to wait an hour.
Yeah.
Go back to sleep.
Ano kasi may sleep, sabi niya ulit.
Thank you.
What's that?
Queen. Hearts.
Tipin din. Oh. Yun na Jack na lang.
Where's the 10 of clubs at? You had it.
What do you want?
Not bad anymore.
You should not talk. Well, I was gonna drop it.
What, 10 of clubs?
Yeah.
I don't need it anyway. That's what I needed. I
Yeah.
need 10 of clubs or king of clubs.
Yeah, I was gonna drop it, then I swapped it for this.
Yeah. After.
You shouldn't speak out loud.
Like, I needed this.
Okay, okay. Dapat tumagal na pala ako.
You have to wait.
Sayang. Tres.
Five. Look at the high cards, man. 3 in a row with high cards.
That's fine.
How many cards do you have?
5.
Pag ganun. Laban ka, Sen?
Deciding so.
Nah.
Ikaw higit. O sige, laban. Ilan ka?
3.
Okay, so no.
8 ako.
6 minus
8
6.
ako.
1, 2,
8.
1, 2, 3.
5. 5 plus 3, 8. 18. Sana. Mali ako.
You had 8. You love them.
I thought when Papa only had like 2 and had 42.
You had 42.
Yeah. Facility niya. Because I'm demanding. That's business. Eh, kahit lang sabihin kong lumabag ka, if you don't like, I cannot proceed.
But Mama reminded Papa that she had nothing down.
So he loved one. And you're like, sure, why not?
Exactly.
Ano ko, dalawa.
Please.
Why?
This or this?
Queen.
Olive, you have to wait.
Queen.
Sit for it.
How many cards is that? It's no secret.
Walang secret yan.
I was looking for a secret back then. You don't wanna wait?
Oh, yeah. No. Yeah. No. No.
Okay.
No.
Yes, no. Yes, no. Yeah. Yes, no. Sabihin kita natin. Yes, no. Quatro na, no?
No. Sorry. I don't know what you need.
Yun lang din. Kasi magbabangon ako. Kasi baka mamaya yun.
You have the aces.
Masunog ako.
Olive, please.
What's wrong with it? Hits na.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4.
14. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oy!
Ay, talaga natirang ko yan. Ano kasing gilid eh.
What do I drop?
Hindi si kuya mo nalagay ang pagkain niya.
I guess.
What did you...
I'll leave this fake, please. Thank you.
Then,
Oh, I had nothing dropped. Oh my god. I didn't realize.
Masyado ka. Tres na ro. Ako yakin mo pa rin.
Kings.
Ano yung tapo niya?
3.
May tapo kayo ng 3. Dos. Hindi na lang. Dos na lang ang tapo niya. Ano ang tapo niya? 7. 7 po yan.
Let's fight.
Ano daw siya? Ako hindi. Tatlo.
Ah! I need that!
3.
3.
3.
No,
3 plus
six.
3. 3 plus 3. Because we
Six.
have the kings.
Tatlo.
Six.
6.
Wait,
Wait.
5.
1 to 5.
5.
10 lang. 10.
That's what I needed.
10. 10. Wala ko.
You would pick it up in corner, and I would have been tongue it.
Kasi wala ka hits, no?
Lucky.
Lagi binibigyan ko ng king.
You gave me the king.
Wala akong king. Binigyan mo kasi ako ng jack.
I had no kings.
Wala lang yung king ko. Wala mo akong joker. I don't have the joker.
that two or one? I think it was 10.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yun. Okay.
Queen? He wants the faces.
King. Ito na yan. Para magkaalaman na.
Hit the kings again.
Wala kong king.
Seven long.
Jack.
Yes.
5.
Let's get rid.
Ten.
Four. 6. Wrong move.
Yun ulit.
Oh my god, why did I do this?
What did you tell me?
Ay,
Queen.
okay, bulat ako yun.
Not third.
Queen, queen, queen. Queen.
Ocho.
Sit down.
Dos.
Walang may tapon eh. Ba't hindi ko nakuha yun? Hindi siya katanis tayo. 10 lang. Ito na sa kanyang
I
dalawang
could even use
joker.
my joker and the pairs.
10 lang. 10.
Alright.
Ito jokers mo.
No pairs.
It should be a roll we can pick up and use it.
Okay. Kasi parang ganito.
You put the dealer next to it.
This. Ito. Mali. Jack. Oh, wala na. Wala na? Wala na.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine.
Wala akong tutor. Wala ko. Wala. Dapat binigay ko na yun.
What'd you have?
4 extra. So I got 5 total.
5. 5 lang. Ito.
No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 9.
Mom salary?
Nope.
Ano yun doon? Bakit? Yung 10, gift ng dollar sa yung 9. Put $1 there.
Oh, you're forgiving me.
I'll give you 10.
Take $1 from
Get
me.
get a dollar from you here. Kaya mo ko doon. That's what I mean. Put $1
I thought you wanted to
there.
take from here.
Ano? I'm paying you $9.
You haven't paid me yet.
That's why I pay you $9 nga.
Okay.
What was that?
Got a tablet.
Nine.
Two.
Six.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Eight.
Can't wait.
Isa ko ka. Bigay tiga-taki. Dos.
Oh, man, shut us up.
Pangit.
Where's the 5?
Wala.
Oh.
Okay.
It
Ten
was
lang.
at the bottom.
Ten
You're
lang.
waiting for queen? 10?
Ten lang. Pangit siya. Ten. Alas na lang ako. I'm already one. Ano, alas na lang.
It's waiting for 7 of hearts. You have to that
I have to set. Oh, we don't want to give that 7.
You should have kept the 6 through the 5. If you gave me the king, I wouldn't Oh no. Dirt.
Yes.
Then again.
Go on top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, oops.
Shuffle it. Oh, just shuffle it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bakit nag-init natin ang pagkain? Bakit yun?
2 came out.
Ah.
That one.
Oh, ito siya. Ten. Ayan. Ito.
Shete. Is it shete?
7, ah. Sinatawag pa sa sarili mo.
Seven?
Ah,
Do you want to wait? Oh.
Bakit
Shut
ito
us. That would be much.
Bakit ito mabirate?
Because I picked up.
10. Sapo pa siya.
I'm locked in.
Yes, wala din yan. Ito. 9.
Let's fight.
Nagsarasa ka? Paano kang fight?
You put
You
yourself.
put
Oh, I
yourself.
did. Sorry, I forgot.
You put yourself.
Stop out yourself.
Yourself or yourself. Paano ka magpa-fight?
You got worried there.
No.
You got nothing.
It's alright. Whatever.
What do I want to do?
Yes.
I don't know why I do that, but that's okay.
O yan. Pinakakuha tayo.
Hoping for the best.
Fight na.
Let's fight now.
Wala akong babae.
1, 2, 10.
I was
Wala ka
25.
Kung nakakuha ako di,
What
mababa
happened?
ako.
What are you waiting
I
for?
don't have, oh.
You can't
Yeah,
put
showed
that.
nothing.
There's nothing. I have a joker, but I don't have. Oh. 1, 2. Isa lang.
Where's the king?
Only one. Only one.
1, 2.
2.
Of course. Look at all these together.
7. Grab ako.
Throw away one. I'm gonna throw away the 10 o'clock. What is it? 7. Oh, can I have change actually?
Andiyan. Pindutin mo kuya. Kung may mababa ako, mabababa ako.
One, okay? You're good, Joe. You wait patiently, okay? You're good, Joe. Good, Joe. Oh! Leave my hiccups alone.
It's recorded. Oh, good funny.
Okay.
Olive, why are you doing that?
Bakit sabi hindi
She's
pwedeng?
moving the camera.
Did you? Okay, init mo na yung pagkain niya. 6 daw. Ayan. Secret.
Olive. What's the secret?
Saan ba ako? Sabi ko yan, para magkalinawan na. Lagi sa kanyang king.
Take out 5.
Take the $5 back. Queen. 8. Kanya.
Thank you.
Naaman niya pala yung aking ano.
No! I'm gonna win! Oh no!
1, 2, 3.
Why did you do this? I would have fought and I would have won. Oh, it took me
13.
14.
13.
13. 3.
3. 13. Congratulations.
Please. I need it.
Nakatapos siya eh.
Oh, it's Olive. Thought I got the jackpot.
Nah.
You should have not stuck out.
Nah.
Pwede tayo ito. Hindi niya alam ito yun.
Coffee. Whatever it is.
We had the first one.
I don't think it's real coffee.
I think I had coffee.
It tastes like coffee, but it didn't wake me up.
Bakit to? Alip, tapos 6, 8, 10. Eh? 5. 10, 10. Diyan, kunin ko na yan. Yan. Din.
Wala akong baba.
8 pa yan.
8. Why? Why do me?
Hindi ko yan.
That's what you wanted.
Mhm.
Ano sa tao? For 5s.
Don't it?
Di pa. Malapit na.
I knew you needed that. Oh no.
Ano yun?
7.
You wanna,
Oh, time.
you don't want to stop out here?
Ito, sapaw natin yan. Oh,
Dos.
Ooh, I need that.
How many cards of that?
wala nang type, kuya.
Six.
Sapaw.
Hey, what do I do?
Tapang mo kanya. Pwede na ba sabihin yung pagsapang? Sige. Bakit dalawa katong sila mo sinira mo? Ano yun?
The wrong one. Tell me it's.
You had the two.
Kuya, nakapatungis eh.
No, I just picked that up.
Picked up
Alin?
the four.
Two.
Not two.
Ito na nga to.
Yeah.
Oh,
What?
oh.
What? Add this.
Ano napulot mo?
Two.
Two.
Ah,
You had to pick up
One,
first.
two.
Two.
12.
Damn. Damn.
Ito. Daling i-ano rin mo yung pagkain ni Oso. Kaya yung pagkain ni Oso. At ilagay mo na doon, slopan mo na.
7 o'clock.
Kaya, ilagay yung pagkain ni Oso. At slopan mo na yung ating ulam. Para
Oh, I'm sore.
pagkain ni Papa rin. Ito ang kailangan ko eh.
Blood pressure these days.
Ah, special.
What you measure this morning?
139. 136. So,
Oh, 60.
136. Tapos ilagay mo na yan. Isnapay mo na yan.
Olive, get your bowl.
No? Olive, get your bag, Olive.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes!
What?
We didn't fight because we got nothing there.
Oh.
Two pickups. Too bad.
Panalo ka na sana. Automatic ka ng panalo. Wala kaming baba.
Maybe an automatic win. Oh, wait a minute. 6. Thank you. I don't know why I get this.
So, panalo ka na sana sa'yo. Ay, salamat. Wala na palang 6. Ayun na. Naabangan ko pa yun.
You want to wait for a full?
Where? Oh. Sure, okay. Damn it. Oh, wow.
1.
1. 11. Stop naman po.
Fire for you already, Shine. Fire already.
Set sila na.
7, 10, 7, 5.
Pag-alis muna tayo, muna tayo.
Why is this on? Should it be? Me? You? Me? Me?
Can you handle that one? Can you handle it? Okay.
Green 2?
Ang bilis ah. Sa is.
So close.
Hanggang 5 na lang yun eh. Eight. Bakit nagsapong ka pa? 9.
Nice fights.
Mm-hmm.
Then, doon ka naman tayo. Then, wala na tayong salis na abang kita. Ocho.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
How many cards you have?
6.
Ah, why? We're meant to be working together.
I have to fight for my thing. I have to fight for my thing.
Oh. Wow.
What was that?
Jack. Hearts. No one likes hearts. Look at that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack. Queen.
Wala din.
All the hearts are down.
Mm.
1 to 5. 6 a queen. Someone has a king.
Ayos na?
You had him. I'll suck on you.
Ayan, tapos na tayo.
What?
Get ready na. Okay.
Okay.